Hi guys, so today we are going to be making a mask, and for this project we will need a shirt, a pair of scissors, two hair ties, and a stapler. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take the shirt and flip it over. After doing so, you want to make sure that the sleeve edges and the bottom edge of the shirt line up properly. After doing this, you want to cut a huge portion. Make sure to cut a huge portion because if it's too less of a cloth, you can't add cloth. However, if it's too much, you can always take the cloth off. So after cutting the cloth, you want to put it back to its normal state and then fold each edge of the cloth towards the inside. This will make sure there's a clean edge for your mask. Then you want to slide each hair tie into each side. Then you want to fold it in as neatly as possible. You kind of just want to work with the hair tie and scrunch it up neatly. Just trust the process, guys. You guys will get it. After doing this, you want to take the stapler and staple the mask together. So to staple the mask together, you have to take the 4 inside layers, just like that. So the layer can go easily on top of the staple. And same thing on the bottom. And then we want to do the same thing on the other side. After doing this, you want to adjust the mask, play with it a bit, and then turn it over. It looks a little loose now, but once you put it on, it'll look perfect. Like this one. This is a mask I made to match my outfits. Now why don't you guys try making one?